Good morning, everybody. It's November 13. Beautiful day. I think it's only going to be a high of 50 something. It's wonderful. So anyway, I went yesterday and bought me some primed pieces of wood for my battens that are going to go on the front of the house. So I'm going to try to paint that today, let it dry, and hopefully be ready to put it up in a couple days. Electricians are still up there at the house, so I'm not going to film too much with them around unless I find me a spot I can do it without interfering with them. And yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow pretty good, so whatever I can get done today will just be put aside, put it out of the where it put it into the shelter where it can't get soaked, and then we'll get hopefully back at it on Friday or Saturday. All right, let's get to work. Right, guys, this is what I'm doing. Luckily, these are already primed, so it should paint pretty fast. I just don't know how long it's going to take to dry. It's probably been about 10 minutes, and I still see some wet spots on it. But I'm hoping, because we're sitting right in the sun, it's a little bit breezy, and it's primed, that it will dry faster. And at least hopefully be able to get this kind of done and hopefully dried up so I can not have to wait around too long for it to dry. Alright, guys, the plumber and the electrician are here, so I'm being kind of quiet, not to interfere with people. But just a quick, what I just did was I put some battens where it's the full piece. I can't put these ones that go near windows until the trim is in. Used my 16 gauge nail gun, my new one. Used 1.5 inch galvanized nails. And what I did was I caulked two streaks down this, and then I put a nail about every foot or a little more than a foot and went back and forth both sides, so that should hold it. I hope. It's only 1.25 inch, but that's a 3/4 inch molding. The battens are about 3/4 inch thick, so that's going in another 3/4 inch, no, 1/2 inch in, so I'm hoping that will be enough between that and the caulking, and then I may go and caulk that some more down the edges. I just want to put some to hold it, but it looks like there's some gap there, so I'm debating on how important it is to put caulking there just to make it a solid piece, or if we just paint it really thick, because I did paint the pieces, but it looks like to me we're going to need to go over that again a little bit because it's a little scuffed and just needs a little help. So I'll present that idea to Valia and see what she thinks. Alright, guys, almost 5 o'clock. Stayed out here later than usual. Stayed out here till the end with the plumber and electrician. Electrician's done for now until we can get the electric company to come out and tell us where to put that external breaker box. So with Helene, we're still, much of North Carolina is still recovering, and our electric company has sent their guys out to still keep working on getting people connected to electric with the big projects and stuff. So no one is open to come. They don't have enough people to come out and inspect or tell us anything what we need at the moment. They don't have spare men. So, electrician and I both are needing actually something similar. He needs them to come out to his house too. And what's wonderful is my electrician lives on my road, so they're going to try to come out and hit both of us at the same time when they can. But for now, it's not happening. So I can't have an electric inspection until that's in. And my plumber is pretty much done. He's got to fill my tub for a pressure test, and he's got it almost there, but he's going to bring water and finish it up tomorrow or the next day. It's supposed to pour. It's supposed to rain a lot tomorrow, so I don't know if we're going to be able to get anything done tomorrow. Anyway, after those two guys are finished and we get all that done, then I can have my electric and plumbing inspection. That'd be great to have that done and keep on moving forward. I got, like I showed you, my battens, the partial part of that done, painted and put on. So anyway, heading home, and we'll see you guys the next time I'm out here.